Today we are going to be making pop-up chicken books. I call it the plot chickens. Now watch this, watch what happens when I open the book. Woo! You get a chicken inside. So here is what you need to make this project. Scissors, Scotch tape, crayons, marker, cardstock. You can actually use old file folders. They work just as well as the cardstock. But we're gonna use the cardstock for our project today. Fold it in half. Okay, now, once it's folded, we're going to draw a line. Now make sure your line is on this folded part of the paper. You don't want to put it here on this edge that is not folded, this folded part. About halfway in, I'm going to take a pencil and I'm just going to draw a line about halfway in and then about halfway up. Take my scissors and I am going to cut that line. Now, we're going to fold these two edges. So you're going to take one edge and go like that and fold it up. And really press it down. You can even use the back of your scissors to help you press that down. And press that edge too. Same thing on the other side. Fold it down. There you go. Now unfold it, and we are going to open up the paper like this, okay? Now here comes the tricky part. You're going to push your triangle. And do you see what's happening there? I'm just putting my finger underneath and it's bending like that. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other one. Push it through. And bend it in. And now watch what happens. I'm gonna hold them both. And I'm going to fold my book. Watch this, I'm folding it with the two triangles inside. Because what's gonna happen when we open our book like this, ready? You see a chicken face. Or whatever face you want it to be. Honestly, it doesn't have to be a chicken, it can be anything you want to make it. But I like chickens. So now that we have the pop-up part, now all we have to do is decorate it and write our story. So once again, I'm gonna make mine a chicken. You can make yours whatever you want to make it. And this is the fun part. So there we go. But once again, this is a pop-up book. So now on the edges, you can start writing your story about your chicken. So you can keep writing your story all along the sides of your chicken and try to have a beginning, a middle, and an end to your story. Now, once you have this, you can stop right there because that's a pretty cool thing to have. But I like to put a cover on the book on another piece of cardstock or just a plain piece of paper. So you can draw a picture on the front about your story. Let's see, I'm just gonna do a picture of my chicken. And I'm going to show you how to put the book together because now you can take your inside of your book and put it into the cover and you're just going to tape it. And I don't think it really matters if you see a little bit of the tape, that's okay. Now if you'll notice on this one, I drew inside, so you can even color inside that part if you feel like it. Do whatever you want. Now, you can tape this side closed as well, but I'm not going to do that quite yet because I also want to show you how to add more pages to your book. So I did another page for my book. Imagine that's another chicken picture or a frog or a monkey or a shark or a monster or whatever, and I want to add some pages to my story. So I'm just going to turn the page, put this in, and now I'm going to tape this page to that page. So now I have 1, 2 pages of my book. And you could keep going and adding more pages, but let's just say we have 2 pages. So I'm just gonna tape this part to the back. There we have it, our Pop-Up Palooza chicken book. Or whatever book you want it to be about. I don't know what that page is gonna be. It's just waiting for a story to happen. So make it your own, have fun, enjoy, be creative, write your stories because you are now official storyologists. And remember, when you read and write and create, every day is an adventure.
Please like and subscribe for more crafts and story adventures.